good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's time to unbox na kasi it's close to month end na ng May and I got this gifts from 1st of May. So this is from the Chip family. It's actually from the Togoy family. Thank you, Eugene and Sel. Oh, nice. Cozy. Thank you. Let's open the next one. It's from Alohi. Thank you, baby Alohi. From Zaldi and Mads. Oh, a shirt. Black shirt.
Wow, I like the print.
Nice. Comfy shirt. Thank you, Ina. Thank you, at Ina. It's from Reg and Ems. Ay, nice. Plates.
I like it.
Side plates. Thank you. It's from Ryu and Rinoa. Thank you, Ben and Dennis. I think it's pillowcase.
Wow.
Is it? Is it a pillowcase? Yes, it is. Yes, thank you. So, most of my friends know me that I don't like pink. As in, you can see any pink in my stuff. So, whatever color it is that you're giving me, I'm okay. I'm so happy as long as it's not pink. Thank you. Anya and baby Rosie. So, it's actually from Camille and John. Thank you, guys. And it's a
Wow.
vanity mirror. So cool. Like it. Next natin, okay, Ruth and Kay. Thanks, Ruth and Kay. I'm actually sharing the same birth date with Kay. So, happy birthday also, Kay. See, nice pouch. And I also like the color. Yep.
Wow.
Makeup pouch. Thanks, the Ledesma family. Thank you, Mikal and Miko. Oy. Oy, it's an EDP. Thank you. What else do we have? Next, I think I know who this from. Because I have this friend and she works at
Jo Malone.
But she already said, like, she said the disclaimer. Don't expect that it's Jo Malone. She's just using the paper bag. Anyways, thank you, girl. And again, my favorite color.
Wow. Nice color.
See, I like it. Another makeup bag. So cute. And there's tops. Oh, wow! Elizabeth Arden. Yeah. Elizabeth Arden. Thanks, girl. You know that we need it. CJ Agtis. Tintin, thank you. She surprised me with this. So she brought it from Oakland to Fiji just to give me this on my birthday. Thank you, girl. And she knows that I also like Pop Mart. I'm collecting Pop Mart. Oh, and there's a letter. It said, Bula ate, another year round to the earth. Happy birthday to you. Great to spend your birthday internationally. Ellery and I wish you to always have a good life, good health, and everything. May God always bless you and your family. From Tin and Ellery. Thank you, guys. Tin and Ellery. They're one of my favorite couple. And they just got married, actually. Should I unbox it na? No? Unbox it later. It's from Chris. Thanks, Chris. Yay! What's this? A hand cream and lip balm. Thanks. It's winter, so we need this. It's a must. Next is from Ate Dottie. Yeah. She's one of our dear friends. And you know it's from Dottie when it's from Peter Alexander. It's actually like, I'm not sure if she's just one of the ambassador of Peter Alexander. But, yeah. Oh, Ate Dottie.
Oh, nice.
Where? I like the color. Next, Ate Bev. Again, one of my closest friend here, Ate. And oh, yeah, I remember it's two because one is from Ate Bev and one is from Jay. Thanks, guys. They know also that I'm collecting charms. And for me, charms are meaningful. So, if you ever going to give someone charms, make sure that it has meaning from you or for her or for that person. So let's open the first one. It's the heart. The heart one is from Bev. She said, yeah, because I'm close to her heart. And the other one is, it's a mix of flower and couldn't remember. Maybe I should ask again, Jay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Love it. Second to the last. It's from Colette and Klein. Yeah, they're like my kids, like my sisters, younger brothers and sisters, because I'm close to their parents. And they gifted me this. They bought it from Sydney pa. See? The effort. So sweet, guys. Thank you. Kailangan akong bumawi sa inyo. Ganito. I can't. The guilt. I can't stand the guilt.
Hey, wow.
Wow, nice color. And thank you. And of course, they know my size. Liit lang. Thank you. Thank you, lovebirds. Yeah.
Ganda.
More trips for us soon.
Malapit na din yung birthday ko.
I think we're guys manifesting because it's a Nitsuka. So our next trip will be in, hopefully, you know that. Last but not the least, from my husband and child, Maxi. It's a Kate Spade. Let's see. A dumpling bag.
Dumpling bag.
So cute. Yeah. It has strap. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you
Thanks,
so
Jeda.
much.
Thanks, Max.
Thank you. We love you.